Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy Aloo Masala roast recipe, ideal as a quick side dish for rice or for roti. So let's get started with the recipe. For the aloo roast, I have already boiled 2 medium-sized potatoes and I'm slicing the potatoes into half and then I'm thinly slicing the potatoes. So this is the size of the potatoes I have sliced. Okay, now the potatoes are sliced and I'm going to keep it aside. Next, I'm getting ready the masalas. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder. I'm heating my cast iron pan with 2 tablespoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 1 inch ginger sliced. Give it a stir. Add in the masalas. Give it a stir. Quickly add in the sliced potatoes. Add in half teaspoon sea salt and give this all a good mix. Make sure the potatoes are coated with the masalas. Cover it with the lid and let it roast on low flame for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir and let it roast for another 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, open the lid, give it a stir. Allow the potatoes to roast for another 2 minutes on low flame without the lid. 2 minutes later, give it a stir. Next, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Give it a stir. Turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon. Give it a good stir and quickly transfer to a serving plate. You can enjoy this aloo masala roast with rice or with roti. So guys, do try this aloo masala roast and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.